Hi everyone, this is Ranveer. I bet you didn't know AI-powered search engines are making waves. Are they poised to replace Google? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a question that's been buzzing in the tech world. Can AI-powered search engines actually replace Google? From ChatGPT-style answers to real-time web scraping, AI search engines like Perplexity AI, U.com, and even Google's own Gemini are changing how we find information. But how do they work? And could they dethrone the 25-year-old king of search? Let's dive in. First, let's rewind. How does Google work? Crawling bots scan billions of web pages. Indexing pages are stored in a massive database. Ranking algorithms like PageRank decide what's most relevant to your query. But here's the catch. Google gives you links, not answers. You still have to click, scroll, and piece information together. Imagine asking, what's the best budget laptop for gaming? Google shows 10 blue links. AI search engines? They'll give you a direct answer, like a friend summarizing the web for you. AI search engines combine three game-changing technologies. 1. Natural language processing or NLP, which means they understand questions like a human. 2. Real-time web crawling, allowing them to scan the web as you ask. And 3. Generative AI, which synthesizes answers from multiple sources. For example, ask Perplexity AI, how does quantum computing affect AI development? Instead of links, you get a step-by-step breakdown with sources cited. It's like having a PhD researcher on demand. So, can AI search engines win? Let's break it down. The advantages of AI search include speed with instant answers and no clicking, personalization as it learns your preferences over time, and handling complex queries effortlessly like compare X and Y or explain like I'm 5. But why does Google still dominate? It has scale with over 25 years of data and infrastructure, trust as billions rely on it daily, and a vast ecosystem tightly integrated with YouTube, Maps, Gmail, and more. But here's the twist. Google's already fighting back with AI. Their Search Generative Experience, or SGE, adds ChatGPT-style answers above traditional links. Is this evolution or desperation? The future might be a hybrid AI answers for quick conversational queries and traditional links for deep research or shopping. But challenges remain. Can AI engines avoid hallucinating fake facts? And let's not forget, AI search is 10 times more expensive to run than Google's model. One thing's clear, search is no longer just about finding info, it's about understanding it. Whether AI replaces Google or forces it to evolve, we all win with better tools. What do you think? Will AI search engines replace Google, or will the OG adapt and survive? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into AI tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.